Falls from portable ladders are one of the leading causes of occupational injuries. At SFW Painting, our employees are trained in the safe use of all ladders. We always use fiberglass ladders near power lines or exposed energized electrical equipment. In any situation that we cannot meet the requirements of an OSHA-approved fall restraint system, which in layman's terms is a guardrail, we will use a fall arrest system. This system is comprised of a harness, safety line, and roof anchor. This system protects our employees from harm and ensures safe work conditions on our client's property.